Are butterfly knife trainers actually useful? Let's find out. That's pretty good. Now the worst part is, I'll finish that later. Now it's time to clean up. I say that the trainer didn't work nearly all that good. I didn't really think it would anyhow. Just figured I'd try it out. But I guess there's no pot of gold at the end of that rainbow. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little bit fun, a little bit different. So, yep, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.